Couple of addition sums here, okay? We're going to look at a couple of ways of doing them mentally. In the first one, I'm just going to look at the units, first of all. Now, I'm going to do 7 add 8. 7 add 8 is nice, that's 15. And then I'm going to look at the tens. So that's 60 add 30 is 90. All right, and then add them up at the end. I end up with 105. Nice and easy. There we go. All right, splitting up the units, splitting up the tens, and then combining them at the end. Now, we've got a few options on this one. First option I'm going to look at is I'm going to add on 80 to 120. So again, I'm going to be looking, and I'll use the same color scheme here. So the tens here, and actually it's still the tens in theory there. I've got 80 plus 120, which is 200. And then I'm going to look at the units. 9 plus 3 is 12, so I've got 212. Or I could convert this to 90, all right? And if I add one on to that to get 90, I'm going to take one off of that. So we've got 90 plus 122, which is nice and easy as well. And we get 212. And finally, I've got one more method where I could just add on 123 plus 90 and then take away 1, which once again is going to be 212. 3 different ways of doing it, okay? You pick whichever one works for you.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.